Hi everyone. Good morning again. Hello.
Miss
Yes.
Ruchita.
So now we are having a newspaper craft activity session. Now we are having a newspaper craft activity session. So we will be needing a glue stick, scissor which is kids friendly, round stick I told, not this, then your round painting brush will do no problem. Okay, just a second. Just a second, kids. Yes, just a second. I'm just answering all of your queries. Also, a newspaper. Okay, I am sure all of you are getting there this type of paper only, newspaper. Pick it up straight. Yes.
Ma'am,
Samaira, be on mute.
ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Shishira.
Miss, the scissors do we need?
Just a second. Everyone on mute. Samaira on mute. Yes, Shishira.
What kind of scissors do we need?
Normal scissor, which are kids friendly, from which you can cut on your own. Normal scissor. Yes, yes. Okay, this type of newspaper everyone is having. I want you all. I want you all to take only single sheet, which is like this. Which is like this.
I joined a little late. Can you start the steps again, please?
This is the first step, dear. A single newspaper I'll be needing. Single newspaper. This is the single paper when we open. It goes this big.
Miss
Okay?
Ruchita,
Yes.
I want to tell you two things. Do we only need one page of a newspaper?
Yes. Only one.
Okay. Teacher?
Yes.
I don't
Gandhar, be on mute first. Gandhar, do you have any query?
What's a query?
You don't have any query, right?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Sir?
So kindly be on mute.
Teacher?
Yes, Neha.
Teacher, I don't have newspaper. Can I use A4?
Okay,
A4
you
sheet?
can use A4, but the size I'll be saying then. The cutting size I'll be saying you.
Okay, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah. Yes. Anyone having any kind of doubt?
Is this big enough?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. We'll be needing that only. So you are already having the cutted part. Open your sheet, open your entire newspaper, everyone.
What did you say again?
Okay. So now I am just placing my mobile so that you all will be able to see what are we going to do out of this.
Miss Ruchita,
Yes, my dear.
I just stared two papers because my papers
newspaper. This is my newspaper. Out of which, see, this opens like this. This opens like this. This opens like this. Now, please be on mute, Samaira. Shishira, be on mute. Yes. So this is the newspaper which is opening like this. So there is a fold which I am seeing over here. There is a fold which I am seeing over here. I have to cut this. Okay, I have to cut this. So I am cutting with the help of the scale. You can cut with the help of the scissor or with the help of a scale too. So now when I cut this, I get these two parts. One part I will leave it aside. Now actually how much paper I am having? See, I am having this much paper which is the half of what I was having. Okay, I am having this much paper only. Is everyone clear? Yes. Yes, Shishir.
Can you repeat that step?
Cut it with the help of the scissor or scale, Gandhar. It should come straight. You are
Okay.
having this much paper only, Shishira. I saw your paper. It is this much only, right?
Mm-hmm. We fold it like that?
It is a folded part only, dear. See, the fold is already there. So we have to cut now this fold also.
Cut about this fold?
We have to cut the fold.
This one?
So now I got two half papers. Two papers.
Do we need to cut here because I have a fold there?
Show me. So take it back. Take it back. Take it back. Yes. So now you are having one single sheet like this, or you are having a fold in between.
Mm-hmm. I'm done cutting.
Okay. Cut that fold. Cut that fold.
This one?
No, that one, the one which you, yes, yes, yes. The fold which is there already on the newspaper.
This one or this one?
Just a second.
This first one or the second?
How do you open it? How do you open it? How do you open that newspaper?
I, no, I'm gonna read some of them.
Okay, I didn't do anything. Is your newspaper the single paper? You don't need to cut it, Shishira.
Okay.
Yeah. It is a single paper, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ramya, cut it, cut it. Ramya, this is a big newspaper. Fold it and cut it. Cut the folded part of the newspaper. When you get newspaper from the newspaper vendor, it is folded. So cut the fold of that newspaper. Ramya? Yes. So now with the help of this single sheet, we are going to do our craft. Now see, my paper is placed in a horizontal manner. In a horizontal manner. Okay? I am folding it this way. I am folding it this way. See, it was placed in a horizontal manner. I am folding it this way. Okay? Now, when I am folding it this way, I am pressing on the fold. So, this pressed fold of mine, I will cut it again. This pressed fold of mine, I will cut it again. Okay? So now I got two separate sheets of this. See,
I did it.
yes. I'm waiting for the other kids also. Yes, right. Shishira, very much right. Now, just take both the papers together. Just take both the papers together. Okay? Just take both the papers together. Okay? Now, if I am keeping it like this, it becomes portrait. It becomes vertical, right? Because we got a small rectangle now. So it becomes vertical. We will fold it like this. We will fold it like this. Okay? And this folded part I am going to press it. And again we will cut this folded part of both the papers. Huh? See, these two were the papers. I kept one on one and I folded both the papers together. Now we are going to cut it. So we cut it. We got 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 pieces we got. Right?
Teacher,
Yes.
how did you do it? I have like a different one. Oh,
How much it is?
um, how much? This one is 3.
Show me. Show me again. Yes. Okay. So now, right. Fold it and keep it again. Fold it and keep it again. Fold it. There are folds there in your paper. I can see the keep it. Because we are going to cut that also. Now we got this paper. Again, It is horizontal. Okay, we have to fold it like this. All the papers are horizontal. We are folding it like this.
Ma'am, can you repeat the step you did before that?
Before that, okay,
When you cutted it.
my paper was like this,
Okay.
right?
Oh yeah.
I folded it,
Okay.
and the folded part we have cut it.
Do we need to cut it inside these paper things, or do we need to cut it outside?
Anyhow you can cut, anyhow you can cut. We will be getting 1, 2, 3 and 4 papers. Then,
One, two, three, four.
right? So now these 4 papers, we got a big rectangle like this. This is
Then we
kept horizontal,
then
right?
we fold them and
So
cut.
just take again and fold it.
Then we cut the four.
Yes.
We cut this part.
Press it, press it, and what folds we are getting again for all the 4 papers together we have to cut. Either you can take two papers and cut. If not together, either you can cut it together.
I have a question. Are we gonna cut one paper at each time, or all the four papers at one time?
See, the paper should not tear. As this is newspaper, newspapers are very thin, so it tends to tear. Okay, so I am also taking 2 papers together at a time. So if possible, you also can take 2 papers at a time. So we get these much small papers now. We need this much small papers, which we got now. Total 8 pieces we got.
నాకు హెల్ప్ చేసి పెట్టమా నాకు హెల్ప్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ అక్కడ చిన్న ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను రోజు
Okay, Neha, for you the size is 9 centimeter by 13 centimeter. It is the approximate size I have given. This is not the exact size. You can take in A4 9 centimeter by 13 centimeter.
I am done doing cutting these newspapers
Yes.
as well.
So we will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces we will be getting.
I got 8 papers.
Yes.
Miss Ruchita,
Yes, my dear.
I still have 4 papers.
You have to take off one more paper then.
What?
Repeat all the steps from one more paper. Then you will get. So those 4 and this 4 makes 8.
I have to get 2 more papers.
Yes.
Okay. Teacher?
Yes.
Teacher, I made it like this.
Yes. Okay, everyone ready with these 8 papers? Yes? Okay. Now we kept one more paper here besides us. Okay, up till now we did this step of 8 papers with one half paper, right? We kept one more paper aside. same steps we have to repeat for this paper also.
What are we doing now? Can you tell me? I couldn't hear you.
We took two papers. We kept one paper aside first, right? So
Yeah.
same steps we have to repeat for that paper also. So again, this is the big paper. We are folding it. So now my paper is in the vertical position first. We are cutting this from the fold. Again, we got two papers when we cut. Now we have to fold it from vertical like this. So now our paper is in horizontal position. This folded part of ours we have to cut.
Again, what we're going to do on the start.
So now these small rectangles we got four pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, keeping it horizontal, fold it, and the folded part again we will be able to cut. You can either take 2 and cut it, or you can directly cut it. Okay, so it is again 8 papers which we are getting. So total 8 plus 8 papers we got. Okay, we have made something extra. We will be needing 11 or 12 papers. Okay, so by chance if your paper is getting tear off on something, so I have told you to make some extra and keep it with you. So here are first 8 and here are second 8. Okay, so this is the size what we are needing exactly. Now everyone is ready. If everyone is ready, just click on the raise hand icon. Then we will start ahead. Total 8 plus 8. 8 papers here, 8 papers here. Every one of you who are ready should raise their hand by clicking the raise hand button icon.
The glue for? What's the glue for, teacher?
What dear?
What's the glue for?
Glue, we have to stick it. I will say you. I will say you. Don't worry. So for this step, everyone should be ready. Then our second step, this was the first step which we did. Up till now, this was the first step which we did. So the second step is the main step. We will be needing the round stick or the brush, whatever you have with us in our second step.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Ramya, what about you?
Done.
Okay, very good. So all of you are done. Now is the main step. So one by one now you all have to take the papers. Okay, keep it aside. One by one we are going to. This is my first paper. Okay, these are the rest seven of one bundle. Okay, one bundle we got eight. So I have taken one paper out of it. Now see this step very much carefully. Okay, no problem if not understood once. This step is going to be repeated 11 to 12 times. So you can see and do it. This long stick or your watercolor brush, whatever you are having, we are keeping like this. This much part is there which is seen. Okay, this triangle part is seen. So what we will do, we are going to take this triangle part from our hand and just fold it round like the shape of this stick. Okay, and once we are going to fold it with our hands, the stick, so that that triangle part is going inside. Okay, now slowly just rotate your fingers, move your fingers ahead, so that with the help of this stick we are getting the roll inside. See, with one hand, just try to keep the paper also straight. Remember, don't stretch it more, otherwise it will tear off. Okay, roll it. Okay, now we are left with this much small part. We are left with this much small part. At this part, we are going to apply our glue. Just a second. At this part, we are going to apply our glue. Okay, at the edge, and again continue folding. Okay, continue folding. So you will see that when it comes to the edge, you will get the fold. Now this roll is here inside our stick, inside our stick. Slowly you can hold the stick and remove the roll like this. You will get a newspaper roll like this. Okay, so if not understood once, watch me. We are going to repeat this step 11 to 12 times. Okay, out of these 16 paper, minimum 12 rolls we need it. Minimum 12 rolls we need it. Yes, any doubt? I am explaining again. I have kept the paper here straight. I am taking the round stick which I am having. This triangular part is there. We are folding it with the help of our hands inside the round stick. Okay. Again, with the help of our hands, we are pressing it and folding it inside. Now we move our hands so that the paper is also rotating and moving and getting a roll. Okay. Understanding? Okay. Move your hand. Now, this triangular part again is left, wherein we are going to glue it at the edge and again keep on rotating it so that our roll is ready inside the stick. And just take it and remove it. Just press from your left hand your stick and remove it straight. So you will get again the roll. Okay? Is everybody understanding? Show me a thumbs up so that I can understand that you are understanding. Now we have to repeat this step 12 times. We have to place our stick. This triangular part is to be seen. Hold this triangular part with the help of our hands. Keep moving our hands. The paper will rotate automatically.
Miss Ruchita,
Yes, my dear.
this craft is awesome. It's not coming good. It only looks like this.
No, it will come good. You will be needing practice. Obviously, this is your first time you are doing this craft. So it will come out good once you are fully practiced. You'll make 5-6 rolls now. Then it automatically your hand will go. So again on the edge of the triangle, we have to place the glue and roll it. And then with the help of the one hand, remove your roll. So you'll be getting one roll again. So we are repeating this step 12 times. I'll be needing 12 rolls of this. This is our second step. Remember, first step was cutting the paper and getting this small sheet. Okay. Now second step is rolling the paper and getting the paper roll. Again, the small triangle part we have to fold from our hands. One time we have to press it and fold it inside the stick. The other time we just have to move our hands. Slowly, slowly, very calmly you have to do. Not in a hurry at all. Because if you will do in a hurry, your roll will be loosened. It will be a loose roll. So for a good craft, we need tight rolls. We don't need loose rolls. I have taken a barbecue stick. If I am getting thin rolls, okay, because my stick is very much thin. So next time, whenever you practice, try using this kind of stick, barbecue stick, for getting thin rolls. And if you want thick rolls, you can take any of the watercolor brushes also. Again, triangular part. First, I am folding with the help of my hand into the stick. Then just moving my hand. slowly, slowly, not at all in a hurry, very much slowly, because only then the roll is going to come proper. Not in a hurry at all. And slowly remove this out of your stick. We will be using only one stick. For each and every roll, we have to use one stick only. So minimum 12 rolls I will be needing.
Miss,
I have purposely, yes.
can you slow down little?
Can I what?
Can you slow down little?
Yes, I am. Are I will wait. Don't worry, dear. I will wait definitely for you to finish. You understood this step? Samaira, did you understand this step? I purposely told you all to take out 16 papers because some paper, if it will be torn, you can definitely use the other one. We will be needing 12 papers, 12 paper rolls like this. Okay? At the edge, we have to apply the glue stick and then again roll it. And then with the help of the other hand, remove it. Each and every roll to be done in the same manner. This triangle we have to fold with the help of our hands. Then again one fold inside with the help of our hand and then just move your hand. On the edge, triangular edge, apply the Fevicol or the Fevistick or any glue, whatever you have, and fold it again. So your roll will get ready with the help of your other hand. You can just stretch it and remove your roll. Same procedure again. I am repeating the instruction every time so that it is clear to you. Triangular part to fold with your hands. Again a fold with the help of your hands inside the stick. Then just move your hands slowly. Why I am saying to move the hand slowly? Because if we move in a very fast manner, our roll is going to get loose. And we need good tight roll for our craft. So this last triangular part again, at the edge, apply the glue. and fold it again. Again, triangular part, fold it, one more fold with the help of your hand, press and fold it, then just keep moving your hand slowly so that your roll is not going to get loose. At the last, on the triangular part, again apply the glue.
Teacher,
Yes, my dear.
teacher, how many rolls we need?
12.
Okay, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Remove it with the help of the other hand. This part is main. The starting part is very much main. When you are taking the triangular part inside this stick and again helping it round with the help of your hand. Because if this goes well, your entire roll will go very well. This is a good hand exercise, right? Everyone. On the edge of the triangle, apply the glue and then fold it. Again the triangular part, put it inside, fold it with the help of your hand, move it. This is the main part of our craft actually. If this roll is perfect, then it is very good. Again, fold it, press it, Hold it with the help of your hand. And now just move it slowly, slowly. If you're going to move it very fast, your roll will not come in a good manner. At the end of the triangle, just apply the glue and fold it again.
Miss Ruchita,
Yes.
I did some extra. It didn't come out good, mine, but I had a popsicle stick, so it looks more cool.
Yes, no problem. If you have done extra, no problem. Okay, so if you all are done making 12 sticks, making 12 rolls, you can just click on the raise hand icon. Okay, so I will be able to understand. Okay, do it calmly, patiently, and not in a hurry at all.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
I'm done.
Okay, just click on the raise hand icon.
I already clicked on it.
Okay, Shishira. Okay, Neha. Gandharv is also done.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
may I make one for myself?
What? I didn't understood. Okay, Ramya. Samaira, are
Can
you
I go
done?
now?
Samaira, are you done?
I just have one more to finish.
Okay.
But where is Kimaya?
No, I don't know. She
Can
might
I
be in
leave
social media.
now?
No, dear, our craft is left. Do you have any class? Okay, are all of you done with all the 12? Are you done, all of you, with the 12 roles? Samaira, are you done? So how you have to place it? I am just showing it to you. 3 sticks on this side. See, 3 sticks on this side and 3 sticks on this side. Okay? Place it in such a manner that when you are keeping this stick in a horizontal position, then slight of it is coming out. Okay? See, this much part is going to come out. Same manner you have to place it here also. See to it that it is coming out. First just place it and see that whether it is coming out properly. Okay. After you have done placing the sheet and once you have seen that it has come out properly, we have to glue it. Okay. We have to glue it.
Miss Suchita,
Yes.
how can we glue it?
Place the glue over there.
Over where?
Just glue it over there where you want to stick it.
You mean stick the 3 lines?
No, you have to do the glue over there and stick the this part like this.
Oh, okay.
Understood? Okay. The same goes on the upper level also. So up till now, in this manner, we have stuck 336 to 8. Up till now, we have stuck 8 sticks like this. Now we are left with 2. We are left with 2. How should we stick these two? We are going to place it like this. in the same manner like this. Here also in the same manner. When you will actually lift it and tilt it, you'll get it like this. You'll get it like this. This is the part where we stuck. I have tilted it. I'm getting it like this. This is the part where we have stuck. Once I tilt it, I will get it like this. Now, I have a homework for you all. If you all can decorate this part, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this triangular part, you can with your own ways. Otherwise, if you cannot, then we are having a activity named paper quilling activity. So I will show you how to do the paper quilling that time. That also you can apply it here. So preserve this with you. Now I can give you a hint. This middle part where this is big, you can stick your photograph also. This can become a photo frame also.
Can you
Up till now, I can name this as a wall hanging. This is the portion from where I can directly hang on the nail. See, earlier in one of the summer camp, I have made it like this. Okay, so this part I hanged it on my nail. Okay, so I made a paper flower only, but on this, here we can do the decoration. Here you can even stick your photo, and here also we can do the decoration. Now that decoration, it is on you. If you want to do on your own, you can do. Otherwise, we are having a paper quilling session also. I am going to teach you how to quill the paper roll, and we can have the decoration that time also. So preserve this and keep.
Can you show the front part, please, once?
This is the front. This is the back from where we stuck. So which part you need, the front or the ones where we stuck from?
So the glue has to be attached from the back.
I kept it like this only. I attached the glue first and then
Okay.
I moved it like this.
Okay.
This is the back part. Yes.
Okay. 1 second. So okay. So this.
So this was the third part of our craft.
Me too on the back.
Now it is totally on you. How will you decorate it? Okay. I repeat again. We are going to do the paper quilling session. So I am going to show you how to make flowers, leaves out of the paper quilled rolls. So
ఇక్కడ పెట్టింది
that time if you wish to decorate, you can decorate it that time also.
Miss Suchita,
Yes, my dear.
your craft looks like a house.
Yes, we have made in a shape of house only.
Okay.
Yes. So when I tilt it, it is like this. So this craft we have done from the rolled newspaper rolls, which we
It
made
looks
on
like
our own.
wood.
It looks like
Wood.
what? Wood.
Wood.
Yes.
నేను శుభ్రంగా చేస్తాను నాకు అర్థమైంది వీల్ డూ ఇట్ టుగెదర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 o'clock.
Okay, we'll do it later.
By seeing the
Yes,
video.
we will decorate it at the time of paper quilling also. Don't worry. So preserve it. We can decorate it nicely then. Because we
Ac-
are going to make the paper quilling flowers and petals, which will
actually,
look good on this.
actually, can you see the video of this?
Of this?
Yeah.
Yes, I will be sending it.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I need
Did
to
you
eat.
all liked it?
Yes. I need to go.
Very good.
I need to eat.
Everyone done? Is everyone done with this?
Yes.
Okay. Then we will meet on Monday with a new activity.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Can you send the video?
Absolutely, my dear. After this session, I will upload it on YouTube and send it to you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, man.